Good day everyone, this is Born in Batanes once again. Today I'm going to show you how I make my fondant roses to use in decorating some of my cakes. So you can color the fondant, but today I'm not coloring it. I will leave it white. So first you're going to make a teardrop shape. Depends on the size of the rose that you want to make. And then you will roll out your fondant, not too thin that it will tear up, and then you will cut out 4 circles. I use a cookie cutter, and then we're just going to wrap the teardrop shape with the 4 petals. So it's basically just overlapping the pieces of the petals. So for this one, I have 3 layers. First layer is 4 pieces. The second layer is 4 pieces, and then the last layer I made a 5 pieces circle. So depending on how big you want your rose to be, you just keep on adding the petals. So if you can see in the photo on the right hand side, the purple one is a bit bigger. So I just keep on adding until I get the size that I want. So for today, I am using a fondant. You can use gum paste. The one in the photo is modeling chocolate. So the purple one is fondant, but the yellowish one that you can see on top, the smaller one, is actually white modeling chocolate. So for the modeling chocolate, we will get to that in the next videos, but for today we're just going to concentrate in making the flowers. So as you can see, we finished one flower. For this one, you can make another layer of 5 pieces, and then try to make ruffles at the edge of the petal so it looks a bit real. This one is a bit thick. You can make it a little bit thinner so it really looks like a rose. And then I'm just going to show you one more time. And for this one, if you want to make the small bud of rose, you can stop at this point. But if you want to make a bigger one, you can add more petals as you go. So that's it. I hope that I shared something interesting with you, and I hope to see you on my next videos. And if you have any question, please leave a comment on the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It will help me a lot. And I hope to see you on my next videos. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.